Oops, my headphones fell. I wonder what to do. There's so much I can do. I'm gonna take off my headphones and I'm gonna get up. Yep, and oh, baby PJ is coming. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, baby PJ. What do you want? Oh, my dad says if I don't get some fresh air the next 5 minutes, he's gonna ground me. And I don't want to get grounded. So can we please go outside? Yay. Sure, baby PJ. We can go outside. Let's go.
Get up to 40% off all Christmas now at Ep1. Mom, did you see the egg room?
Yay! I love playing outside. Yes, of course we do. You have any secrets to tell me? Yes, I do. What is it? I like moths. Moths? Yes, I like moths. Moths? What's moth? It's like a house in Legos. It's a moth. Oh, how dare you? You sneezed right on me. I'm gonna tell your daddy. Oh, don't tell my dad. He's gonna ground me. Oh, I'm telling your dad.
Macy's has tickets to volunteer. Perfect stocking stuffers under $25. The hottest trends of the season under $50. And all the gifts that let you
PJ,
$100.
you know what your son did? What did he do? He sneezed on me. See that? He sneezed right on me. That's it. I'm gonna tell him to go inside and go to his room.
It's Happy Christmas and a kitten birthday.
What, Dad? Oh, you're grounded, son. What? You're grounded. But I only sneezed. Oh, you know how it goes. If you sneeze, you're grounded. Oh, no. I don't want to get grounded. Well, too bad. You're getting grounded. Let's go inside. Alright, guys, that was episode 1 of Marlon's that was episode 1 of Baby PJ's World. I have dinner on my face. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Make sure to slam that like button, and I will see you all next time with another episode of Spot's World. I mean, not Spots World. I will see you in another episode of Baby PJ's World. Bye, guys.